Hey there! Today we have a great video about jogging lined up for you. We are going to walk you step by step how to set up PSTX Softstarter for jogging. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of it and ready to tackle it like a pro. Let's dive in. We will cover the topics in 3 sections. 1. What is jogging? 2. How to set up jogging parameters. 3. How to control jogging function. Jogging function allows slow speed running of the motor via providing low voltage output. The function is controlled by the thyristors to provide slow speed output. Jogging is commonly used when positioning of conveyor belts is required. It is also applied to verify proper operation after maintenance. Jogging function offers the motor to run in both forward and reverse directions, with selectable slow speed levels in each direction. The speed can be set to 3 different levels: fast jog, jog, creep. When the Softstarter receives a slow speed signal, the motor accelerates up to a constant speed that is slower than the nominal speed, for as long as the slow speed signal remains active. When the slow speed signal is deactivated, the Softstarter immediately cuts the voltage applied to the motor. By enabling slow speed operation, jogging function can provide a cost-effective solution. As you can run the motor in slower speed, both forward and reverse directions, the speed regulation can be achieved without the need of a drive. It can also provide simplified maintenance. After maintenance and service activities, jogging can be used to test and inspect the system without bringing the motor up to full speed. Before jumping onto the parameter settings, let's review how to navigate the PSTX Softstarter HMI. Press the top left button for options, go back, or exit. Press the top right button for the menu, select, or save. Use the arrow buttons to navigate. Let's explore the parameters we need to check and figure out how to navigate to the related menu. Go to the jogging setup parameters by entering the menu. Select parameters. Enter the complete list. Navigate to section 5, slow speed. Press select to enter the slow speed section of the menu. In this menu, you will find speed and strength levels for both directions. Slow speed forward and slow speed reverse parameters help you choose from the 3 predefined speed levels. Slow speed strength parameters allow you to choose the strength of the jogging operation, which can be adjusted appropriately to your application. Let us start with forward direction, where we have 2 parameters to set. 5.1 slow speed forward, 5.2 slow speed forward strength. Slow speed forward parameter lets you choose from the predefined speed levels. It can be set to fast jog, jog, and creep. Fast jog forward is 33%, jog forward is 15%, and creep forward is 8% of the nominal motor speed. Set this parameter to the speed you want the motor to jog at. Remember that the maximum slow speed is 33% of the nominal motor speed. Default value for this parameter is set to jog. Next is the slow speed forward strength. This parameter lets you adjust the torque that is generated during the slow speed in forward direction. Increasing the strength will result in higher torque, but it's important to keep in mind that too high value might cause oscillations. Reducing the strength will deliver lower torque. If it's set to too low, the motor may not start at all. The range of setting is between 10 to 100%. Choose a suitable value for the application. Default value is 50%, which is a good starting point. Now let's look at the parameters related to reverse jogging. There are 2 related parameters for this setting: 5.3 slow speed reverse, 5.4 slow speed reverse strength. Both of these parameters mirror the forward jogging parameters with identical setting ranges and default values. There are several methods to control and operate jogging function: controlling locally from the HMI, setting up as a pre-start function, controlling remotely via digital inputs or via communication. In the following section, We'll walk through each method individually. Let's start with HMI control. Press menu and navigate to motor jogging. To control the function locally, first make sure that the control mode is set to local. If you need to switch the control mode from remote to local, press the local remote button located in the bottom left corner. The top left corner of the display indicates which control mode is currently active. You can control the rotation of the motor via the left and right arrow buttons. Press the left arrow button to operate in reverse direction, and press the right arrow button to operate in forward direction. The function will operate as long as the buttons are triggered. Second method we will explore is the pre-start functionality. In pre-start state, the soft starter runs functions that are intended to run before the soft starter goes into start ramp state. A pre-start function runs during a preset time. To set up the pre-starting function, navigate to Menu, select Parameters, enter the complete list. Then navigate to the Section 2, Start and Stop. From Start and Stop, navigate to Parameter 2.7 Pre-Start function. Press Edit to see the options. Slow speed forward and reverse can be set as a pre-start function from this menu. After selecting the desired function, press Save. After saving, you will be redirected to the submenu of Start and Stop. Move down one row to select 2.8 Pre-Start Time. Pre-start time can be set from 0.0 seconds to 7,200 seconds. You can move the cursor between digits by using left and right arrow buttons. After selecting the digit, use up and down arrow buttons to increase or decrease the time value. The next control option is through the digital inputs. From the menu, select Parameters, enter the complete list, then navigate to the Section 10, Internal I/O. Here you will find 3 programmable inputs, IN0, IN1, and IN2. Choose the input that corresponds to your physical wiring and press Edit. Each input can be set to slow speed forward or slow speed reverse operation. You can control the inputs via external devices, for example, a push button. When the input is triggered, the motor operates in slow speed for as long as the signal stays active. Same principle also applies to external I/O. An extension I/O module is required in case external I/Os are going to be used. If you want to integrate slow-speed jogging with field bus control, detailed guidance is provided in Chapter 8 of the PSTX Installation and Commissioning Manual. Before finalizing the video, let's go through some important information. Jogging only works when the soft starter is connected in line. Using jogging more than 2 minutes will cause the motor to heat up excessively. We recommend to use PTC or PT100 temperature sensors for motor temperature monitoring. If you have a shorted thyristor and have limp mode activated, it is not recommended to use the jogging function. Jogging on the PSTX Softstarter gives you slow speed control in both directions without the need for a drive. Whether it's for manual positioning or post-maintenance testing, this function can simplify your workflow. That's how to set up and control the jogging function on ABB's PSTX Softstarters. For more tips and setup guides, check out our other videos in the ABB Softstarter How-To series.